Hello everyone, in this series we are going to learn the NX CAD software. Okay, first of all we will see the introduction of NX CAD, NX Unigraphics. NX is formerly known as UG, Unigraphics, a high-end software owned by Siemens PLM since 2007. High-end software means it is an advanced level CAD/CAM CAE software package developed by Siemens PLM. Unigraphics is one of the world's most advanced and integrated CAD products developing the program. NX offers a huge value for engineering companies of all sizes. It simplifies the design of complex products and speeds up its product launch. Next, design and modeling software integrates principles based on knowledge, industrial design, geometry, modeling, advanced analysis, graphical simulation, and simultaneous design capabilities. The software has effective hybrid modeling capabilities by integrating feature models based on constraints and clear geometric models. In addition to modeling and standard geometry components, it allows the user to design complex freeform shapes such as aerodynamic surfaces and variations. It also combines solid and surface building techniques into a single powerful tool. Unigraphics is used among other tasks for design, parametric and direct solid surface modeling, engineering analysis, manufacturing finished design by using included machining modules. Graphical user interface of NX CAD. Then how to open a new file, how to save a file. This part we will see in our software. Okay. Here click on new. This window will open. Here from you can change the units. Click on model, give the name to your model and give the path where you want to save this file. Click OK. This is the graphical user interface of NX CAD software. Okay, this is menu bar. These are tabs. These are commands. This is design feature tree. Okay. Now we will see how to open a file. Here you can add a new file. From here you can open already saved file, and from here you can save the file. Okay, then print, plot, import, export. You can do all the things from here. Okay, thank you.